Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to unbox and review this stylish tactical chest bag. If you love hiking, camping, traveling, cycling or night running, this compact chest bag might be a really useful accessory for you. So let's open the box and see what we get. Alright, here's the package. Let's open it. Inside the package we have the chest bag itself. The material feels strong and durable. So on the front you can see two zipper pockets which are great for carrying small essentials like your phone, wallet, keys or power bank. In further video I will show you how to put it. Material appears to be water resistant and lightweight, which makes it suitable for outdoor activities, and the stitching and zippers also look quite solid. This looks like a tactical style chest bag with adjustable straps which should fit comfortably for both men and women. This bag is designed to sit on your chest, which makes it very convenient for quick access to your item. Let's see what we can fit inside this bag while you are traveling, so you can carry your travel essentials with you, just like your passport, your eyeglasses or goggles, your phone, your power bank, some other documents, or your key, wallet. Everything fits very conveniently in this bag. So it's perfect for carrying your daily essentials hands free. Let me wear it and show you how it looks. As you can see, the straps are adjustable and it sits comfortably on the chest. This type of bag is great for running, biking, hiking, traveling or even daily use. This bag is not suitable for large items and bigger gadgets just for its limited space. Overall, this tactical chest bag is stylish and practical accessory for your outdoor activities and everyday carry. If you want something compact, comfortable and easy to access, this bag is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unboxing and product reviews. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.